Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay here, coming back to you with another video. Welcome back to another episode of Cosmochiq. I know it's been forever, but let's go ahead and get right into this video. This is one of our pre-made wigs that you can go get on Cosmochiq.com. It's already been cut, bleached, knots, done. So, and we're also now going to color it and style it. So yep, that's me right there. I am parting the hair. I'm getting ready to section it off to start the color process. As you can see, it comes in like a natural dark brown. This is like a 1B, almost 2 kind of sort of. In this light it is color corrected, so it is more of a 2 than a 1B than it does appear on camera. So I'm just taking it off and just sectioning it in some kind of sections, and I'm taking this board and adding my color onto the board, and I'm just gonna go upwards with my brush. I'm going to flat brush it and then swipe it up and down to kind of blend out those strokes. Here's a little bit of a better section where you can see that, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm just getting that product on there and then I'm blending by swiping that brush up and downwards. Now this is not my first video on how I color my hair. I've done plenty of color videos on this video, so if you really want a great more explanation or in detail or in-depth video on me coloring and how I color, then go ahead and take a look at those. But as you can see, it's pretty simple, self-explanatory, and it's not really that hard to do. I used to use foils, but now I just use sorry, I had a brain fart, but the plastic wrap, because I feel like it holds and seals the color better. Here it is. Here's kind of the almost finished product. We're actually going to color this hair twice. This is kind of our baseline of where I kind of want the first color, the first layer to go. And so this is what and how she came out. So next, on the next section, we're just going to go ahead and blow her out. I like to blow her out before I do an additional color. So we're just going to blow her out and blow dry her all together. And once that's done, we're going to then go ahead and move on to our next step. So here she is, all blown out and blow dried. So now I'm going to go ahead. I've never done this part before where I've used a highlighting cap before. This is actually my first time ever using a cap to highlight hair. I usually do them by hand with foils, but when I walked past this, it really reminded me of my mom from back in the 90s where she used to do this to her own hair, and she used to use this cap, so I figured it would be easier. But it took a long time to pull the hair through this cap, a very long time. But either way, it was definitely a fun and learning experience. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my color all over the hair, and I'll leave the color details in the description bar below. And this is how she came out. So we're just going to rinse her and blow dry her again. So as you can see, here is the color. She's all highlighted through, all blonde and whatnot, looking very silky smooth. I love the way the color came out on this wig. I really wanted a short cut to put on the site, and it will be available on Cosmochiq.com. Also with this hair, or it may not be available because I don't know if I want to keep it or not. I'm really debating on it because I really think it's super cute. But I have not plucked the front of the hair just yet. I kind of wanted to see how the color was going to go first. But so I'm just adding a little bit of hairspray, and I'm spraying it through the hair because I'm a hairspray kind of girl, because, you know, it's all about Texas, you know what I'm saying? Higher hair, closer to God, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so just gotta add a little bit of hairspray, and I'm just gonna straighten her out. But at the end of this, you can see that the style has changed because I ended up not liking her straight, but preferred her a little bit more wild and free, and you'll see what I mean in just one second. As you can see here, we're almost done, and here is the back of it with all the beautiful layers and the cut, but I felt like she was a little you know what I mean? She wasn't doing it for me. So I ended up crimping her and making her absolutely more gorgeous by adding a little bit more crimps in her hair to give her more of the, I don't know, motorcycle biker fun, going out type of look. What do you guys think? That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to our family. And until next time, guys, bye. Oh, and for part 2, when I try this baby on, or I don't know, by the time I may have sold it, I haven't decided yet. Just stay tuned.